In order to subscribe to my channel, please click here or click here. Please share, comment, and like my videos and channel. Hey guys, welcome to ServiceNow 4-minute video for developers. In this lesson, I will create and test Table API. This is my personal developer instance. Here we have Table API selected and we have get selected. The get method is already selected. I will select the table name. That will be incident. And then I have sysperm query where I will limit the data. That means filter some data. For that, I will go to incident table and I will try to filter this out. That means I will do show matching. So I have all active true. That means data, records where active is true and caller is David Miller. I will copy this query. I will go back to REST Explorer and I will paste this. Here it has been pasted. I will make this true. And I will also make this one as true. I'm not putting anything in this particular parameter right now, but before that I will just click on send. After clicking on send, you will see this testing. The testing is successful, but we have to do this testing outside of ServiceNow. So we will copy this link. Now I will go to Postman. Now this is the application where you can do testing. I will open a new request. Get is already selected. I will paste that URL. I will do the authorization. Here I will select basic authentication. Now this wasn't already selected, the username and the password. Now this user ID in ServiceNow has REST service role and it is already created. So you have to make sure, and it also has incident ITIL role. I will do it send. You will see it sent that request to ServiceNow and got the data. Now this is the record. The limit was 1. Now what I can do, I can make it 10. Or before that, let's do one thing. Let's go to your Explorer again. And this time limit the fields. So for that, I will go to sysperm fields. I will click here. I will try to take number, short description maybe, and caller. And we will also take active field, which should be at the top. Let's see where we have active. And I will click on save and I will try to click on send again because this will give me a new URL, and then I will copy this. It will be a really long URL. I will copy this and I will go to post again and I will paste this URL. Now this time I will not do 1. I will just limit the records with 10. But you will see a magic that I have mentioned 10. However, because as part of our filter, we should only get 5 records. So I will click on send, and then you will see that these are the fields which we mentioned in our REST Explorer, and that is also mentioned in the URL. And you can see we only have 5 records, all those 5 incidents which were there for this caller where active is true. And you can see his name is also coming in caller ID, no sys ID, no URL. That's how you test Table API in REST Explorer in ServiceNow. Thanks for watching my video. For any question, please put in the comments. Thank you.